welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a clown mask look, so I am going to start off right away just because I want to kind of just get it out and I want to try and make sure it works. So I drew my inspiration off of a picture I found on Google. It was by, I had a tag on the picture and it was by Sylvia Sadoch, MUA, on Instagram. So I immediately followed her and I really wanted to recreate this look. So I will definitely leave her profile link down below. So don't forget to check out the description box. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this out and I really want to try it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is lay down my brows. So I'm going to use the Elmer's Washable School Glue, the purple one, and I'm going to use a spoolie that I have in my NYX brow pencil, and then I'm going to use Coty Airspun powder to set it afterwards. So I will be right back when I'm done. Okay, so I did 3 coats of glue and I kind of just let it dry, and I put powder over it already, and I'm kind of sure it's dry already. It feels dry anyways. So I'm going to grab the orange in the 35B palette right here, and I'm going to put that over my brows. I'm just going to do it with my finger. Just because, you know, it's... And I'm just going to put that all over. And I'm going to grab the ColourPop No Filter Foundation stick right here. I'm in the shade Medium 110W. And I'm just going to grab that with my finger and put that over my brows. And I'm going to grab my Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush, and I'm going to blend that in. It seems like this is as good as we're gonna get it, so we are going to leave it like so. And I am going to now do the outline for the clown mask that I want. And I'm going to grab the Wet n Wild Color Icon liner right here to outline where I want to have the mask. Go ahead and grab it. I'm gonna go, you can do whatever you want. I personally want to go with the way Sylvia did it, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab right here around my brows and in through my eye, then come right back out and around, and around my chin. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this side and do the exact same thing right here and through my eye, and then out. And meet the other line down here. So that's actually really good. So now I want to grab, this is the Fantasy Makers by Wet n Wild little palette, and I'm going to use that white that's in there, and I'm going to fill in my entire face. So hopefully this works well. It looks like it will. It won't be too opaque, but you can always layer it on. So as soon as I get the face done, I will be right back. Okay guys, so here is the face. Now I want to do the little detail. I want to do the detailing and stuff. So I want to do a, well, that one wasn't working out. So I'm going to use the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner, and I'm going to go ahead and overline that one because it's too, the calligraphy liner is in brown, so you can barely see it. And then I'm going to do, down under here, I'm going to do 2 little, like this. And we're going to fill that in black. We are going to fill those in with black. I'm also going to do And those will be filled in black as well. Okay. Now we're going to do a brow, but I want to do the brow just a line, just like that. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Hers is definitely better. So now I want to go into my eyes, and I'm going to do one blue eye and one red eye. So yeah, I'm going to grab the eyeshadow C brush. This is a nice little packing brush, and I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to grab this red and put it on my right eye. So we're just going to pack that on the brush and then go ahead and pack it on the eye as well. I'm going to grab the other side and go in to this bright blue right here and put that on the other side. I'm going to grab this Alamar brush. It's a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the red and blend it out here. Hopefully it'll blend because, you know, it is paint. So, and then I'm going to grab the same brush and go into the blue after you clean it off. And do the same thing over here for blue. So now that is done, I'm going to grab a smaller brush. I'm going to grab this Kat Von D, I think this is like in 70. Yes, this is in 70. And I'm going to go into the red. I'm going to fill in this spike right here with that red. Then I'm going to clean off the brush, go into the blue and fill in the blue one. And I'm going to go into the black on that same 35B palette. And I'm going to fill in this underneath the eye. With the Fierce Flakes liner, I want to do a design up for my lips. So I'm just going to go from my top lip, like so. I'm going to go up to my cheek and do a swirl. Then I'm going to grab from my bottom lip and connect it. And I'm going to line my lips with this liner. And connect both lines on the bottom and on the top. And while I have the liner out, I'm going to go ahead and do the winged liner on my eye. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild 123 Fiber Mascara. So first you go in with the black, then you go in with the white one, and then you go over it with the black. So I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Now that it's done, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Barcelona. I'm going to put that all over my lips. Just like that, which is great. I really like the way that came out. And now I'm going to grab red on my cheeks. So I'm going to grab the red from this palette again, and I'm going to go in with that brush and then just put it right over it, just like that. And there we go. And here's today's look. I am actually very in love with this look. I think it looks great. I'm going to work like this because we have a Halloween party today. I'm super excited about this. I'm very happy at the way it came out. I will definitely leave everything I use here down below in the description box, as well as Sylvia's page. Thank you so much for the inspiration. You did an amazing job, and I really hope I did it justice. And I really hope you guys are able to recreate this look and make it look even better than I did, honestly. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Spoopy Sylvia, and I am an aspiring MUA. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.